Riding a motorcycle isn't just about speed or thrill. It's about discipline, focus, and mastering the mind. The ancient philosophy of Stoicism can teach us timeless habits to become better, safer riders. Here are 5 Stoic habits that every motorcyclist should embrace. Habit number 1. Master your emotions. Stoics believe in controlling emotions and responding thoughtfully, not reacting impulsively. On the road, frustration and anger can cloud your judgment. A skilled rider remains calm and focused, even in challenging situations like heavy traffic or aggressive drivers. Remember, you can't control others, but you can control how you respond. Habit number 2. Practice discipline daily. Discipline is at the core of both Stoicism and great riding. Maintain your bike, gear up properly, and follow road rules. These small, consistent actions build the foundation for mastery. A Stoic rider doesn't leave anything to chance. Habit number 3. Focus on what you can control. The Stoics taught us to focus only on what we can control and accept what we cannot. As a rider, weather conditions, road surfaces, and other drivers are out of your hands. What you can control is your preparation, focus, and adaptability. Always ride with a mindset ready to adjust. Habit number 4. Embrace adversity as growth. Stoicism sees adversity as a teacher. Every mistake or tough ride is an opportunity to learn and improve. Did you drop your bike? Handle a corner wrong? Use these moments as lessons to grow stronger. The road will test you, but the Stoic rider sees these tests as paths to mastery. Habit 5. Stay present in the moment. Riding demands full presence, just as Stoicism teaches us to live in the moment. Let go of distractions. Feel the wind, hear the engine, and be one with your bike and the road. A Stoic rider understands that true joy comes from being fully present in the ride. To ride is to live deliberately, embracing discipline, focus, and the wisdom of the road. Adopt these 5 Stoic habits and you'll not only become a better motorcyclist, you'll master the art of the ride. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button. But what if you've already adopted a good Stoic mindset and your riding skills have improved, but you're still struggling with some other bad habits? Well, then watch this video next for 5 bad habits riders must stop in 2025.